Hey there! Today we're diving into a coding problem that many of us might encounter. The issue at hand involves a problem with the code for adjusting the volume of an audio file. Now let's talk about the solution that was initially provided. In the code snippet, an array named header with a size of header_size was declared. However, the problem arose when using sizeof header_size to read and write data. The solution presented addressed this issue by utilizing sizeof header instead of sizeof header_size. This corrected the problem by ensuring that the correct number of bytes were being read and written, which is crucial for manipulating the audio file's header. Continuing on the solution path, the code snippet showcases the corrected version using sizeof header to accurately capture the size needed for reading data from the input file. This adjustment ensures that the entire header data is processed correctly. Wrapping up the solution, the final refinement in the code snippet shows another valid way to handle the issue by using header_size directly for reading the required number of bytes. This alternative approach maintains the functionality of the code by specifying the exact size needed for the operation. In summary, understanding the correct usage of sizeof and how it pertains to array sizes is crucial in ensuring accurate data processing. With this revised approach, the code now efficiently handles the volume adjustment for audio files. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time for more coding adventures.